In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Miro with Jira. To get started, open Jira and look toward the main navigation area. From there, click on Apps. This is where Jira gives you access to add-ons and integrations that can expand what your workspace can do. Since Miro is available through the Jira Marketplace, this is the right place to begin the setup. Once the Apps menu opens, click Explore More Apps. This will take you into the Marketplace area where you can browse and install tools that connect directly with Jira. If you're integrating Miro for collaboration, planning, or visual project work, this section is where you'll find the official app listing. When the Marketplace page loads, go to the search bar and type Miro. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right results appear. Searching directly is usually the fastest way to find the exact integration you need, especially if there are multiple related apps or similar looking options in the marketplace. From the search results, click on Miro for Jira Cloud. Be sure to select the cloud version that matches your Jira environment. This is important because choosing the correct app ensures compatibility and helps avoid setup issues later. Once you open the listing, you'll be taken to the app details page. Before installing anything, take a moment to read the overview. This section usually explains what the app does, how it works with Jira, and what features are included. It can also help you confirm that this integration supports the workflow you want, whether that's embedding boards, linking tasks, or improving collaboration between planning and execution. Reading the overview first is a good habit because it helps you understand what permissions or functionality the app may introduce into your Jira instance. After reviewing the information, click Get It Now. This starts the installation process for the Miro integration in Jira. Depending on your Jira permissions, you may be asked to confirm the installation or continue through a short approval flow. If you don't have the necessary admin access, you may need to contact your Jira administrator to complete this part. And that's the process for starting the Miro and Jira integration directly from the Jira Marketplace. Following these steps carefully helps ensure you choose the correct app and install it from the official listing. Once installed, you'll be ready to move forward with connecting your visual collaboration work in Miro with your project tracking in Jira.